are y'all doing today? Today I am trying to get everything situated around the barn and the pens because it's fixing to get cold out. But let's see what the animals are doing today, because some of them are acting up and acting kind of strange, and I just think it's where the weather's changing and they feel it. The chickens this morning, and I think that they know it's feeding time. Comes some more, and if you can hear the ducks, it seems like they can hear the front door open and they know it's time to eat too. Whoa, you're coming in pretty fast. Sarah, what are you trying to do? Them chickens don't care nothing about you hugging on them.
Oh, you should tear it out.
I promise you, let them chickens eat. Let them eat, baby. There's Sophie. She's getting better about coming to me. They're right, Sophie. There's Clyde over there. Look how big he's got. Got a full-grown goatee. Clyde. What you doing, baby girl? Y'all are making a mess, and I just cleaned up not too long ago, huh? That's okay. They're supposed to be that way. A little. Sophie's becoming a big girl. And Sophie's a beautiful baby. What you doing? Sophie has came a long way since the last time I showed her. She lets me go up to her, touch her, rub on her. Getting used to us, huh? Look at them beautiful blue eyes you got, Sophie. Wow, let me tell you, Clyde eats just about anything. That's a big goat there. Be nice, Clyde. Be nice. What you ladies doing? Alright, get in here again and rake all this old hay up off the ground. Boy, he gets serious about his food. What you doing, Clyde? Don't turn your back on me. Clyde? Okay, Clyde. No. No. Ow. Stop. I show everybody what you been up to, and then you have to show your tail like that. That was rude, Clyde. That was so rude. Don't give me no loves and kisses now. I don't want them. Don't look at me like that. I don't care. All them kisses is not going to make up for what you did. Those are my cayugas right there. They have gotten so big. Ain't they beautiful? I got more over there to the right of us. Green heads on them. How they shine in the sunlight. Oh, so beautiful. Y'all, this is why I love me some duckies. They're so cute. Here's my female turkeys. You know, the male that we had, I called King. He passed away a couple of days ago, and I think it's because turkeys do not live long. So I think he was about 2.5 years old. And I think their lifespan is about 2-3 years old. So he had a good life here with us, but now we got to find us another young Tom to put with these hens. So yeah, they're pretty. We gotta get some more. I know y'all ain't seen them in a while since we moved them out here, but the little ones that we hatched, I don't know, since we moved them out here, evidently the move, it was too much for them, and we didn't have but 2 baby ones, and they passed away right after we moved them here. So I don't know. We're going to plan on getting some more in the spring, and I can't wait, because spring is one of my favorite times, because that means new babies, huh? It's good to see the chick. Hey guys, y'all ready to eat? Y'all been waiting for me all morning, huh? You ready for the eat? You want something to eat? I know you look hungry. Y'all look hungry. Alright guys, we got all the chickens fed, so I'm gonna go check up on my plants. Come on, walk with me. We dished up our little garden again, just to rotate the dirt, new soil. So just all this up, and so we're gonna start over next year, trying to get the dirt all rotated. I think we'll have a better garden next year. It was beautiful. I'm not going to complain at all. We had a great garden this year, a great one. I'm gonna go check up on my plants. I want to show y'all what this wind in North Carolina did to my elephant ears. Come on with me, walk with me. Hey Kiki. So I finally got a rose to bloom. I'm fixing to cut it off and take it in the house. And there's another one down there, but this wind has really ruined my stuff. In fall, it's causing the leaves on my bushes to go away. I'm gonna have to trim some off of that and see about maybe bringing it back for next year. Roses is doing all right on that one. But let me show you my elephant ears. It's a pity. Oh, look at this. Look at how bad that wind tore up my elephant ears. Don't that just make you want to cry? I know I do. Man, these are the ones that I took from a seed and grew. Now the little ones down here, I guess, was protected by the big ones. But man, I'm gonna tell you, these right here, they were so beautiful. And now they're tore up. Breaks my heart, it really does. Because I worked really hard on this. Growing them, taking care of them. I'm gonna tell you, I'm just hoping and praying that this winter ain't gonna be so bad. These right here, they're pretty. Like I said, I think they were protected by the bigger ones. But these bigger ones, man. Alright guys, me and my son's out here. We got to clean this pen out of the goats today. It rained last night and got some things extra messy, and I see that Mr. Clyde over there, he likes to take his horns and strow his hay everywhere. So the hay is wet and we have to get rid of the hay. Ain't that right, Clyde? You better leave him alone. And we got to redo the water and everything else. What? Yep. Alright, I'll help you. Lord, this weather, we supposed to be getting a cold front coming in, and we could tell because all the animals are oh so grumpy. Ain't that right, Mr. Grumpy? So So they are just, I think they know when the weather's going to change. They act so mean. Look at you, trying to run after somebody. All right, it'd be nice if you helped me. Sophie. The wind's starting to pick up. Now I got my handy dandy wheelbarrow, and I'm gonna load that hay up in here and try to keep it clean as I can get it. Guys, got to get my pitchfork and look at it. Do not ask me what happened to it, because tell you the truth, probably somebody left it out, and that probably was me, and my husband probably ran over with the tractor. He probably forgot all about it, and that's the reason why he ain't heard about it, but that's probably what happened. All right, I got some of it done, y'all, but my son decided to come out here and help me, and I appreciate that. And we're gonna get this little bit done, and the chickens are not acting like they like it too much because I disturbed their messy place. But that's all right. We're gonna give them a little bit more. See, grumpies. I'm telling y'all, it's got to be the weather change. The way that they're acting, it's crazy. Let me get done. Let me show y'all what we already got. We got that much hay. What are you doing, Sophie? What are you doing? You want this turned over so you can jump on it? There you go. There you go. Oh, I stepped in the hole. Didn't get much on that, did it? That's all right. Let me get back to helping him, y'all. We have done the pens. We gotta just do the dogs next. We had a little bit more time. I thought the sun would be down by now, but we have just a little bit more time, and I just think we're done. I mean, other than the dogs, then I'm gonna go in the house and cook supper. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.